stock, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another update on baked beans. Today, baked beans has 30,111 BNB contracts. As you can see, I have 2.3 BNB. So that is equivalent to about close to $1,000. So it's $957 a day. So that essentially puts me at about $30,000 a month in baked beans. $30,000 a month in baked beans. So I get asked, how did I get there? I started with about $1,500 out of my $1,500 out of my pocket, and I just kept reinvesting. Of course, the referrals have helped out a lot, but now baked beans is paying me very close to $1,000 a day, every day. And it didn't take very long to get there. So you just put the amount that you can afford to lose into these platforms, reinvest. Initially, I would say start off reinvesting 5 to 6 days in a row and then withdraw. But if it's funds you don't need, you can just reinvest for a month, and you're going to see a huge difference in your cash flow. So yeah, I'm $1,000 a day, very close to $1,000 a day now. To be exact, 957. So I'm going to withdraw here today, and then I'm going to reinvest for the next 5 or 6 days, and then I will do another withdrawal. So that's kind of like how I'm able to build my income fast, is because I keep reinvesting and continuing to use the compound calculator. So that's how you actually grow your wealth. Compound interest is how you get rich. It works for you or against you. So let's go ahead and do a withdrawal. I don't want to keep you guys waiting for the withdrawal. First thing we're going to do is we're going to eat our beans. As you see, we got our 2.3 in our wallet. Sending it to Simple Swipe. Make sure we got the right address in here. BAA. Yep. 2.3. Is it? That is about 2.3 to be exact. Is right at $955. So I make $955 a day in beans. $955 a day. So I'm taking out today for the weekend, and then the rest the next 6 days I'll reinvest. 5, 6 days I'll reinvest, and that's gonna actually increase this income to 3, 4, 5, 6. Next week I'll be at about 13 a day. So if you're not familiar with beans, it's a miner. So they mine your beans for you, and they give you 8% return a day. So people wondering how sustainable this is, and is it too early? This has been going on for 6 months, guys. Like, beans came out in November. It's been going on for a while, and they continue to develop the platform even more. So they actually have bean tokens now, and that's actually providing more sustainability. So I get asked, how long do I think this will be around? I think it'll be around for a while, because you got a group that's very locked in with reinvesting. The investors is actually what's making this platform grow. When I got in here, we probably had about, I don't know, maybe 2,500 contracts, maybe, and it grows 3,000 contracts a day. Trying to wait around and see if I can show you guys a live withdrawal. It's not too late. I mean, it's never too late. You can always get in, and there's different forks. So this is not the only one. There's a lot of forks that are coming off of the baked beans that's successful that I have on my channel. Ruby Miner is one that I'll actually go over maybe in a video later today. So that's another one I would actually recommend. And I'll continue to just bring different ideas on the channel, but you just have to have the mindset of just taking the risk. You put in what you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. So if you $500 is all you can afford to risk, or $200, you drop it into one of these platforms. And since you definitely can afford to risk losing it, I would definitely recommend reinvesting for a while, so you continue to build your Bean account up to where you're actually getting a income like this. Like, you can do this. This is not very hard, guys. This is very straightforward. Just understanding what compound interest is. I'll do a video on compound interest as well. It's just understanding that the more you reinvest, the higher your daily ROI grows. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of this compound interest while this Beans contract is continuing to grow. No one knows how it's going to go, but I'm in for the ride. I'm trying to ride it. And if it lasts another 6 months or another year, we're not going to worry about it, because we have different avenues to pull from. But my honest opinion, I think that this is going to be around for a while. I don't know how long, but the way it's progressing, the fact that they actually have a smart contract, it gives it a little bit more validity. So it prevents rug pulls. So the developers won't be able to just run off with this one. The investors would have to stop putting funds into this account and reinvesting in order for this to fail. And not saying that can't happen, but right now it looks like it's going to be around for quite some time. So like I said, you put in what you can lose and you go from there. All right, so let's see. I'm not sure. Let me just go to Uphold. Let's see. right, let's see here. No bueno yet. I'll give it a few more minutes and then I'll just come back with an update when I receive the funds. Well, guys, you have several different forks off of baked beans that recently started. So you don't have to, it doesn't have to just be baked beans. If you like another platform, we have Ruby, and I'll continue to share the ones that I'm involved in. So I'm not going to hold you guys. I'll just give a update when I actually receive payment. Just like I've been doing, because Simple Swipe seems to be taking a little longer lately, but it'll come through. But if you like this comment, share it, guys. Get the likes up. Give me some likes. Share it, subscribe. Until next time, let's get that cash flow up.